Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the headers and footers in Google Docs. So pretty similar to other word processing suites, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you want to adjust the header, you can double click in the top section of the document. And if you double click on it, you should be able to go ahead and actually insert a header directly onto here. And let's just do an example here. And let's say you wanted to select options. You can select if you want to add the page numbers, you can. If you want to select the header format, you can do that as well. If you want to adjust the margins for how many inches on the top or from the bottom. And if you want to add page numbers, like I was just looking at here, you can select page numbers here as well. If you want to start at page 1, you can. Otherwise, you can select, continue from previous section. If perhaps your first page is a cover page, and if you want to have it in the header or the footer, you can select that as well. And you can see I selected a number after the last name, which I believe is correct in MLA and APA. Probably Chicago formatting too. Don't really remember having to do too much with that. But if you want to go ahead and indent this over to the right side, for example, you just highlight over it, select the Format tab, align and indent, and then I'm going to select Right. And you might want to hit the Enter button on your keyboard just to give it another space down there. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. And you might want to do it a couple times. Again, you need to look up whatever your proper formatting is, depending on what kind of publication you're writing or what formatting guide you're trying to follow. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do a positive to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.